Welcome to EdTech Forward, Trends and Innovations 2025, where we explore the future of education technology marketing and the pioneering strategies transforming the industry.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the very first episode of Trends, Innovations in EdTech Marketing 2025. I'm your host, Zara Crow, and I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you. We're here to explore the groundbreaking technologies and strategies reshaping the educational marketing landscape. Today, I've got a fantastic guest with me, Kaylin Lorne, who brings a wealth of knowledge in SaaS growth within the tech space. Hi, Kaylin. Thanks for being here.
Hi, Zara. Thanks for having me. I'm really excited to dive into what the future holds for EdTech marketing. There's so much happening right now, and it's great to have a platform to discuss these changes.
Absolutely, Kaylin. Let's start by talking about AI and its influence on personalized learning experiences. We've all seen how quickly AI technologies are advancing. From AI tutors to content personalization, what are your thoughts on how these innovations are shaping the marketing side of EdTech?
AI has definitely been a game changer. Personalized learning through AI not only helps tailor educational experiences to individual students, but also allows marketers to target specific audiences more effectively. Imagine an AI system that can analyze data on student performance and then offer targeted learning resources or tools that specifically address gaps in their understanding. This level of personalization extends to how we market educational products, making campaigns more effective and efficient.
That's such an insightful point, Kaylin. With AI, it's not just about catering to the individual's learning pace, but also customizing the journey of potential customers. Have you seen any standout examples where an AI-driven marketing strategy really made an impact?
One example that comes to mind is a project I worked on with a platform that offered language learning tools. They used AI to analyze users' learning behaviors and predict which languages might be of interest to them. This prediction helped create personalized marketing campaigns that offered language-related products or courses tailored to those interests. The result was significantly improved engagement and conversion rates because the users felt the platform understood their needs and preferences.
I love hearing about such real-world applications of AI. It really highlights the potential for growth in EdTech marketing. Speaking of evolving landscapes, virtual campuses are becoming more prevalent. Kaylin, how do you see virtual campuses transforming student engagement and educational outreach?
Virtual campuses are fascinating. They're not only spaces for learning, but also vibrant communities where students can socialize and collaborate from anywhere in the world. This opens up an array of marketing opportunities. For instance, virtual events or interactive open days can attract prospective students who might not otherwise consider attending. It changes the way institutions market themselves, making education more accessible and inclusive.
Exactly. The inclusivity aspect is crucial. Plus, there's the added benefit of sustainability. Reducing physical footprints can align with institutions' green initiatives, which is another selling point. Do you have any tips for educational institutions looking to enhance their marketing strategies using virtual campuses?
Sure. One effective approach is to create rich, engaging content that highlights the unique aspects of their virtual campuses. Students should feel that these environments are worth joining, not just because they're virtual, but because they're vibrant and offer unique benefits. Video tours, student testimonials, and interactive demos can all contribute to this impression. And inviting prospective students to engage through virtual meet and greets can build a sense of community even before they enroll.
That's excellent advice. Let's switch gears a bit and discuss immersive marketing techniques like augmented and virtual reality. These tools are becoming more accessible and affordable. How do you think they can be leveraged to create impactful marketing campaigns?
AR and VR offer an exciting way to create immersive, memorable experiences that engage audiences on a deeper level. For example, a VR demo of a campus or a classroom setting allows potential students to put themselves in a virtual setting, which can make the prospect of attending much more tangible. Or consider AR features in promotional materials that bring static content to life, such as interactive 3D models of projects or labs. The key is to seamlessly blend these technologies into the user experience, so they enhance rather than overwhelm.
It's amazing how these technologies can turn marketing from something passive into an engaging, almost participative experience. Kaylin, do you think there's anything holding back widespread adoption of AR, VR in educational marketing?
Widespread adoption often faces challenges like budget constraints and a lack of in-house expertise to develop these experiences. However, partnering with specialized firms or startups can mitigate these issues. Sometimes the hesitation is also about being clear on the ROI. Institutions may need to be convinced of the value, requiring a clear strategy that ties the use of VR, AR, back to educational objectives and potential recruitment growth.
That point about return on investment is so important. You can't just use a technology because it's trendy. It needs to fit into a larger strategic plan. Speaking of strategy, data-driven approaches are another hot topic in EdTech. How do you see data shaping marketing frameworks going forward?
Data is indeed at the heart of effective modern marketing. It's not only about collecting data, but about understanding what it tells you and how it can be used to improve customer engagement and outreach. With the right analytics tools, marketers can identify trends and preferences, even predict future behaviors, which allow them to create more targeted campaigns. This approach results in more personalized and effective marketing strategies, ultimately benefiting both the consumers and the organizations involved.
And it's exciting to think about how this data-driven approach can infinitely refine over time, leading to increasingly fine-tuned marketing strategies. It's so impactful. Lastly, I wanted to touch on the role of social media in EdTech. What changes do you anticipate in how social media will be used for educational marketing moving forward?
Social media will continue to be a dynamic space for educational marketing. What's evolving is the way it's used to create genuine, impactful engagement. More than just a platform for announcements, it's a place for interaction and community building. I expect to see a rise in educational influencers and collaboration with creators who align with institutions' values. Social media campaigns that focus on storytelling, showcasing real student experiences, and offering valuable content will likely become the norm.
It's interesting how the lines between education, entertainment, and marketing are increasingly blurring on social platforms. As we wrap up our first episode, thank you, Kaylin, for joining me and sharing such valuable insights. I'm sure our listeners have learned a lot.
Thank you, Zara. It's been a fascinating discussion, and I'm eager to see how the ideas we talked about evolve in the coming years.
Absolutely. To our listeners, thank you for tuning into this first episode. We'll continue to bring you the latest trends and innovations in EdTech marketing, so stay tuned for more episodes. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.
Stay ahead in EdTech marketing by liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing the trends and innovations in EdTech Marketing 2025 podcast.